favorite tree guys.
Oh yeah.
Hi there. Hey, how are you? Hey,
Making another video.
oh, yeah, we were just going to get a bicycle, a little hot rod bike.
Oh, nice.
You gonna do this one?
No, we did something down the block. Just go down here and say hi.
Hey, Papa Smurf. Alright, so here we go. Look at it, a small world here. We're going over to New Jersey. We just found a Iverson Dragstripper Missy Miss on Craigslist. So we're gonna drive over there and check it out. I used to have Iversons in my collection, and I got rid of them when I moved. So this will be my first Iverson in my new collection. So we're gonna take a ride now. We got the truck over here, and we'll see what happens.
All right, come on with us.
Come on, okay, come on with us. Well, as you can see, we're almost there, and we gotta wait for this train. So things you gotta go through. This is one of them.
Yeah.
When we got to this light, people were already stopped, so it's gotta be a long train. Yeah, whatever it is. Over the tracks. I'm almost there.
Yeah. Wait, I'll go here.
Okay, here's the bike.
Yep. Look at that. Isn't this a beauty?
And he didn't want to be on the video, but he said it was in his family, never used in the garage, and he was happy to get rid of it to a collector. And I'm gonna let you scope this out. I'm happy with this purchase. Okay. And Iverson. And as you can see, there's no rust on the bike. Very clean. You got the Dragstripper Mini Miss. Seat's perfect. And the sissy bar goes into the frame. It's really cool. I don't know how you adjust it. You probably take these end caps off, but it's really cool. And it's a 3-speed. You gotta clip on these cables, and there it is, baby. We got the coolest chain guard there is. Look at that thing, and we got it for a good price. So I'm gonna take it home and clean it up and make another video. So there you have it, Iverson Mini Miss, designed by George Barris, who designed the Batmobile and these bikes. Okay, we got her home, and I just did a tiny little bit of cleaning up. Let me show you what I did here. I'll just use a little sponge on there, and the chain wheel is really nice chrome. And I added 2 ties here to the cables, and basically I just used a wet towel, and the paint is beautiful, as you can see. Now the bike is a certified BMA, so that means it had safety equipment. So in those days, it's all original. This is the safety equipment. These 2 bands made it reflecting in the front. Is the Iverson. I just did a tiny little bit of cleaning up on the rims, but the tires are original. Look at that chrome, it's perfect. And these tires still got little nubs in them, so the bike was not used. And speeds work great. You can see 1, 2, 3. Got the handle shifter. I'll tighten it up a little. There it is. White pedals. These end caps always get lost, and they're still there. All of these end caps. Now, only one thing that would make this bike more perfect and original is a Gulco long-range reflector that I just happen to have one. So, okay. There it goes. There it is, nice, and there it is. And now it's perfect. You tell me that bike don't look nice. Now, you can see there's a little, it's not even rust, it's just a slight bit here. Crumple up some aluminum foil. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Comes right off. So this is how you do it. And here, a little bit, look at that, comes right off, like new. Now this fender is a little loose, so I'm just gonna have to tweak this bike slightly here and there. And look at, there's a little, comes right off. I don't even know what that was. Came right off. And you can see the handlebars. We got a little bit over there. So let's see. Look at that, like new. Came right off. Smooth. Look at the other side. The other side got a couple little specks here. You see them? Watch this. Look at that. Came right off. Here's some tiny little bit. Now, I don't want to lose my reflector, so I'm going to be careful, but just to show everybody, look at that. Like new. Same thing here. So, there you have it. Now this bike was designed by George Barris. And I'm going to tell everybody a little about George Barris. He was born November 25 and he died in November 5th, 2015. That's George. He designed the Batmobile, and he also designed the Monsters car. And he designed bikes for the Stelber company, which was also Iverson was a division of it. And he designed this bike. And one of the noticeable things on most of the Iverson is this exhaust pipe looking straight bar that's wide, chrome patches, and it's even on this girl's bike, which I think is even rarer than the boys, because I searched them and I only saw one or two bikes like this, and they both were the same color. So you Google, you'll find a lot more of the boys' bikes. So this Mini Mist, I believe, is rare, and it's because it's designed by George Barris. I think I got a diamond right here. So I was very happy to pick it up. It has a crazy frame that the sissy bar goes into it. If anybody knows how to lift this sissy bar up, write in the comments below. And just check out this frame. It is so cool. And the chain guard is crazy. I love it. And I'm glad I have this bike. So I'm going to get my aluminum foil, do a little bit more, and that's my video. See this? Watch. It's like magic. So if you have light rust, little spots, and then you can, after you get all of this off, and you can do it on your rims too. Look, there's a little here. Look how it comes off. Then you use a metal polish, and that'll put like a coating on it. So this is an easy way to clean it up, and if it's not a heavy rust, and you won't get all that navel jelly, your hands won't be all tore up. And look at that. Okay, so thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you soon.